楽しませてくれるのだろう。
Round 1. Fight.
Dark Way. Dark Way.
KO. Round 2. Fight. Perfect. Round 3. Fight.
Dark Way.
KO. Round 4. Fight. KO.
I could use a drink. Unrelenting night.
Round 1. Fight.
Dark Way.
耐えられるかな。食らうがいい。エクセレント。
KO. Round 2. Fight. KO. Round 4. Fight.
Dark way.
KO. Final round. Fight. KO. You win.
Unrelenting.
Round 1. Fight.
Dark way. You want more?
KO. Round 2. Fight.
Dark way.
KO. Round 3. Fight.
Dark way.
KO.
楽しませてもらったよ。
Unrelenting.
楽しませてくれるのだ。
Round 1. Fight.
Dark way. Dark way. Dark way.
KO. Round 2. Fight.
You want more? Dark way.
KO. Round 3. Fight. Perfect. Round 4. Fight. Final round. Fight. KO.
戦いはもっとエレガントなものだ。
Underland.
Round 1. Fight.
Dark way. Dark way.
KO. Round 2. Fight.
Dark way. You want more? You're through.
KO. Round 3. Fight. Perfect. Round 4. Fight.
You're through.
KO. Final round. Fight. KO.
戦いはもっとエレガントなものだ。
Get ready for the next battle. Round 1. Fight.
はもう
KO. Round 2. Fight.
Hello everyone. Yeah, I am just feeling a little bit fresh now. By the way, how do you like? Do you guys like his Lei Chawla? It always hard to pronounce the second name of Lei. Is Lei Chawlan or is Lei Chawla? Or like, what is that?
KO.
By the way, this guy has the best Lei in Pakistan. In Lahore, you can say, at least. We have best Lei in Faisalabad. But that player is very, his attitude towards game is not good. He's playing game for entertainment just. Beast fighter, yeah, he's good. And the best thing is that he knows every matchup. Like he knows Kunimitsu matchup and he knows this matchup. Like he know everything. I am impressed.
KO.
Yeah. Shaolan. I like his Eliza. For me, I think he's the best when it comes to Eliza. Also, I'm also a Eliza player, you can say, but I think his Eliza is the best in Pakistan. He's working so hard after the nerf, he's still sticking with Eliza. That's the thing. Nice. Yeah, he's a rich guy. He's not like he said that he's playing game for entertainment, not for serious purpose. He don't have any purpose in game because he has his own business and stuff. So he's a very good player by the way. He's very good player, very intelligent player and very sensible player, mashallah. But he don't wanna become a pro player. He don't wanna prove everyone that he's the best and stuff like that. He's just like he's playing for fun and he's doing so good with his league. Not millionaire. He has the factory. You can say in Pakistan, when we say a guy is rich, means like he earns maybe more than 1 million or 2 millions a month. That person is rich, I believe, in Pakistan. Maybe not that big rich. Yeah, mashallah. Beast fighter, what is doing? Oh, he gonna kill him. Nice. It's 3-3. Nice. This match is exciting. Comment
Round 1. Fight.
कर सकता है. Yeah. But I will try to invite him, guys. I will try to invite him someday, and you will see. I will organize his matches versus my teammates and other top players of Pakistan, of Lahore. So you will see like the high level Lei. And you have already seen Lei from Korea. I think Korea has best Lei at the moment. Also in US there is fighting GM, and I'm not sure if someone playing Lei at high level in Japan. But Korea, yeah, there's I Am Your Father and there's one other guy, Lei 3. These two players play. I am talking about Lei player from Faisalabad. He's rich and he's like he don't wanna become professional player and so. G. And this guy is Pathan. Is Khan. Pathan ही है? पठान बट होगा. दो इकट्ठी कोई कास्ट मिल जाती होंगी. मतलब फिर अबू भट्ट होगा, मैं पठान होंगी. आप पठान हो ना? लगते हो. मंगवाया कुछ नहीं, पठान हो आप. अच्छा खेलो. Okay, he's not Pathan. Okay, this guy has some listening problem. He cannot listen. He has some defect in his one ear. Yeah, that's sad.
Wait.
Okay, the score is 3-3. Or is 3-4? Yeah. क्या score? 4? Okay, guys. Ayas is about to win this set. Next is me versus Irtaza. Yeah, and next is me versus Irtaza. मैं क्यों Steve खेलूंगा? Okay, guys. I will pick the character Irtaza will ask. Irtaza will tell me to pick. Nina. Okay, he's saying. Okay, I'm gonna pick Nina versus Ling Shire today. साथ ने बहाना भी लगा दिया, साथ ने कहा नीना भी खेलो। ये ऐसे क्यों कह रहे हो? ये तो यार तुम इस तरह की बात ही कर रहे हो यार। तो नीना कह दो या फिर अब जीत रहा है तुमने, सही है। मैं लाइजा खेलूं, लाइजा को डालोगे? लाइजा खेलता है। I should live with King. Maybe Atif, but today at night. I just wanna spend like 4 hours. I just wanna wake for 4 hours and then I will sleep and my routine will be set. It's the punishment. I am in punishment. Like I didn't sleep intentionally because if I sleep, if I slept in the morning, then I couldn't. Then the routine will be the same. Every time I will speak in the morning. You know, I just wanna change that routine. I wanna sleep at night. That's why I have been waking for from yesterday. Usman Baloch, because he's going to leave Irtaza. He has something to do, some work to do. So that's why I'm gonna play against him and then Usman Baloch. Right? Okay. Score 3-4. Last point for Beast Fighter. What is his original name? His original name is also Usman. है ना? Usman but पठान दोनों. मैं नहीं मानता but है ये, पठान ही है ये. दही पे लेगा? लेके नहीं आए? हम भी खा लेते. कल किसने मना किया था? इन्होंने मना किया मुझे कल. पूछो. मैंने नहीं किया, इन्होंने मना किया. इन्होंने. मैंने नहीं कहा, झूठ बोला जा रहा है. आपको मैसेज दिखाता हूँ भाई का. इनका मैसेज आया था, मैं कह रहे थे कि मैं परसों आ जाऊँगा, कल बिजी है ये. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है परसों आ जाओ. वो झूठ बोला तो मैंने पता कितना झूठ बोल रहा जाने. तुम बोले दस साथ रहते हो उसके. मैं तो कल फ्री था, बल्कि मैं तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा था. थकावट. Yeah, guys. Okay, so if Pakistani people, you guys guess who is this guy? Is he Pathan or is Butt? Okay, only Pakistani people can guess. Tell me who is that? For me, I think he's Pathan because he is confused. What do you think? He looks like Pathan. For me, also he looks like Pathan, but he's saying he's Butt. Maybe mixture. Like he's not I am not backbiting or stuff like that. I think his mother, maybe mother or father, someone is Pathan and the other one is I think his mother should be Pathan and his father is Butt. That's why his caste is Butt. Okay, now it's my turn, guys.